we've got ourselves some needle nose pliers, a couple different ones because sometimes it's hard to grab these valves. This is just an old screwdriver that I'm going to use to push it back in there. It's takes those hex bits and works really nice to push this in there. When you get it on the ball, you can just shove it in there nicely. But this is the key, having this thing right here. This is the valve that goes in there. So, but first thing we got to do is we got to remove it. So I fashioned with a piece of stiff wire. I'm going to stick it in there and root around and just yank it out of there with this and these needle nose pliers. Okay, so let's go. Kind of got it in there, and then got to pull it through to see if you can't get some part of it out of there, so then you can grab it with these pliers. Okay, so there we are. Yep. There's first try. Kind of bent my wire. Got to bend my wire back. Making a nice hook here. Here we go. Okay, so it's starting to come out. Well, this is not terribly easy to do and film at the same time. So there it is. There's our old valve. Okay, so we've got this new one. You can lubricate that a little bit with soap, or I just kind of moisten it. Put it right there. And then I'm going to push with this driver till we can get it in there. And there we go.